Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Our phone number is 803-831-2101. Today I want to walk you through the 2025 170 Montauk. Now you can't see, you're going to have to trust me on this, but it's featured in light blue with the chrome graphics. Extremely nice color choice. What you also can't see, it does come with a galvanized trailer with a spare tire as well. But now on to the fun stuff. Come on back here. So we've got our 90 horsepower Mercury engine on this, and this baby flies. That is plenty of power for this. What you can't see, we've got a stainless steel fold down swim ladder. And these back seats here, so these are removable, so they can double as rod holders. The platform bench is removable on either side. And now as we come on up a little bit more, so you've got your adjustable helm seat here. First move that we're gonna do is show you the live well. High functioning, your bait is never gonna die in this. You're gonna love it. All right, I'm gonna readjust this seat. We've got our stainless steel wheel here, easy adjustable throttle. Our JL audio sound system. So we've got speakers throughout this. And what you can see here on display is our 7-inch Simrad. Now on delivery, we'll go through all the customizations, highly customizable chart plotter, GPS, engine functions, as well as your fish finder in there. A few select buttons up here, pretty much the standards there. But one of the nice features in this boat are your stainless grab rails throughout. Very easy for everybody to get nice and comfortable. Come on up to the front. So in addition to these cup holders on the side, we also have additional rod holders. So here in front of your helm, you've got 4 rod holders, and you can see you got your Igloo cooler with the cushioned seat. Now this is secured in there by these straps on the side, so you can see this Igloo is made specifically for this boat. Now your passengers are going to be extremely comfortable with the bow seating here. Now it's hiding some secret compartments. These snap downs. You're going to have your anchor or your fish boxes here, as well as your anchor locker. I'm just going to open one of these so you can take a look. There are drains in there, so this could double as an additional cooler or a traditional fish box. Now we're going to secure this down. There we go. Now the last thing that I do want to point out is this is pre-wired for your trolling motor. You can see it up front there. So you're going to be good to go. Customize, pick whatever trolling motor you want, and you're ready to go. Actually, one more last thing. So around this side here, we do have additional storage under the helm. As you can see, plenty of room for all of your goodies. All right, that's the quick tour. Come down and see us for a test drive on this 2025 170 Montauk with the 90 horsepower. Again, my name is Adam Caniglione. The best phone number is 803-831-2101. Have a great day.